Hi kids, it's Miss Debbie at Fountaindale Library, here today to celebrate Harry Potter's birthday with you. It's July 31st, and as you remember, in the Chamber of Secrets, that's the day that Harry was first introduced to his destiny. So I don't know if you know about these books, but they've done an illustrated series of Harry Potter, which are just beautiful. So we have these at the library if you want to come in and check them out and take a look at them. They're awesome. So our craft today is Harry Potter themed, and I don't know if you remember, but in the story, they didn't have mailmen, did they? They had owls and stuff. So the owls carried little messages to the kids. So today we're going to make an owl carrier and stuff. You can hang it up or stick it on your fridge or give it to a friend, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to have kits in the library starting July 31st until they run out. And this will be kind of the things that you'd get in the kit. And then this one I kind of made from things that I had at home and stuff. So I'm going to kind of go through both a little bit as we go along here, okay? Okay, so what you'll need, if you have the kit, is really just a glue stick, okay? So in the kit you'll have the circles, and you'll have the eyes, and you'll have the feathers, and the little sticks, and the little message board, okay? And the big Google eyes and stuff. If you don't have the kit, then I would recommend finding some circle things in your house, okay? So I would find this is a 6-inch circle, so just trace it around and cut it, okay? And these are 1.5-inch circles, so I think measuring spoons would be pretty great. Looks like the tablespoon is about the right size. Just bring it along here, trace it along, and cut out the circles that you're going to need and stuff. And those would be good for the body part here, and it'd be good for the big eyes too, okay? And then you can just color in the black circles for the eyes if you don't have googly eyes, okay? So that's that. So like I said, you'll have to make up all these little pieces yourself if you don't get the kit, okay? And the other thing too is if you get the kit and you want to make more, trace the things that are in the kit and then cut them out yourself too, okay? Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I put the camera down so you can kind of really see what I'm doing as I'm doing it, okay, kids? So, in the kit, or if you make it yourself with your cereal bowl and your scissors, you need about a 6-inch circle, okay? And you're just gonna fold in the sides to make the wings first. And then you're going to fold down the part to make the head. Pretty easy, right? All right. Okay. So then the next thing is you're going to take your 1.5-inch circles, either if you made them with your measuring cups, your measuring spoons, and cut them out, or if you got them from the kit, and you're going to line them up in here. I usually put 2 up here because this folds down and you got a little beak that's going to come. And just kind of arrange them the way you'd like them to be, okay? This can be bright paper or whatever you get in your kit and stuff, just kind of like that, okay? So I already glued these down here, so I'm going to move that one to the side and stuff. So I just glued them all in there, okay? And then the next thing is I want to make mine a hanger. So I'm going to take a piece of ribbon and I'm going to put it in here, and I'm just going to tie a knot in the top of it like that to make the hanger. And if you want, you can put the knot underneath the thing there so that you don't see it. And this part is when you're really going to have to use some glue, okay, because this paper is kind of stiff. So, oops, it's not going to cover it all then, is it, and stuff. And then some in the middle there. If you have something stronger, or you need a little piece of tape, whatever it takes to get it to stick down, okay? There we go, like that, okay. All right, okay. Oh, and then I added this piece already too, I guess. So, in the kit you'll get this thing, and again, if you're cutting your circles, just stick them, just overlap them a little bit, and you'll have the same effect, okay? And you'll glue that down next, like this, okay? See, it's still popping up, so you can even put a little glue on this thing here. And the great thing about this glue is it dries clear, okay? So that's that. And then I have another little piece of white eyes here that are going to go on. Just adds a little dimension. And again, these are about 1.25 inch circles if you're making them yourself. Yeah, there, okay. And then I got some really awesome giant, oh, I think we should probably do the nose next. Let's do the nose next. So I got a little piece. You can use yellow paper or brown paper, or I have felt here and stuff, so I'm going to take a little glue and put the felt on there. A glue on that. And stick it underneath there like that. Okay. And if you don't have Google eyes, just draw black circles in there. Okay. And away you go. So there's that. And that. Okay, and then the next steps are what's going to make it a Harry Potter owl. So I have some little bitty clothespins that will be in the kit. If you don't have these, you can just glue your sign right on the bottom there, okay, and stuff. And I'm going to have little glue dots in the kit, so I like glue dots when it's something heavier, and if you have hot glue, it'll work too and stuff. But these are a little safer for kids and stuff. So I'm going to take this and just put it on my little guys here. And then I'll put the other one on it. I think I'm going to glue this together first, okay? So all you have to do is cut pieces of paper. If you don't like what's on the saying, you can write something on your own on here and stuff. If you like a little one, I've got two sayings here. I've got "You are awesome," and I've got "I'll always believe in you" and stuff on mine and stuff. So you can write whatever you want, or you can use the one that's in the kit and stuff, and you just glue those together. And then I think the best thing to do maybe would be to make sure you can get that one on there and then see about where you want the other one. Put that one on. The other one like this. Okay, and there you have it. You have your owl carrier. Pretty fun, huh? So now we have our completed project, our Harry Potter owl carrier with whatever message that you created on the bottom or the one that's in the kit. Stop in starting July 31st to get the kits, and I hope I gave you a few tech tips to make up some more on your own, and come into the library and pick up some Harry Potter books or any other kind of books that you might like. And make sure you pick up your summer adventure prizes too if you completed the summer adventure. Okay, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.